In the morning, I have to drink cherry smoothie, especially for this week. And then later on, I drink mixed berry smoothie. Okay. So what we put on it is watercress, 2 cup of mixed berries, or 2 cups of means, or 2 cups of cherries, um, four four date, hemp seed, then 12 ounces of water. Okay, so this is what we're about to do. Okay, I'll show you in a moment. Okay, because I'm filming with my phone and I don't have anything to hold it, so it's just kind of hard for me. Okay, so what happened is I couldn't find cherries. Okay, I couldn't find frozen cherries, did not find this. Strawberries, blueberries, dark street cherries, and pitted red dots cherries. So I'm like, okay, I think I'll substitute it for the cherries. Yeah. Okay. So this is what's gonna happen now. Yeah. All right. Just gonna make two mixed berries smoothies. So what I ended up doing, I made smoothie for two. So I used 4 cups of mixed berries, 20 ounces of water just to make it a little bit, um, no, 24, not 20, sorry. And I use watercress, hemp seed, and dates. Okay, so I'm supposed to use 4 dates, but I use 8 because we have 4 cups. Okay, so that's my smoothie. I blend them, okay, to make it like well smooth. Okay, so I'm supposed to drink a portion around 8, 9, and then the other portion around 2, 3. Okay, so yeah, a post dinner snack. I mean, no, pre dinner snack. I eat this after work because I get off work like like 4, 5. So on my way home before my dinner, I eat this as a snack to keep me full. So it's just tomatoes and cucumber. I'm just gonna add a little avocado for taste, and you can put like a little lime juice on it. Just to give it like a little taste because cucumber is, ah. So yeah, just put the lime juice and then some avocado. You can put some like, yeah, that's it, to give it like a little taste. Alright, so this is where you spiral. Okay, so that, okay, we kind of have like the noodles form or whatever you call it. Okay, but the only thing I hate is because of the remaining all days. Come on, I need all of my ingredients. I'm just greedy like that. Alright, So I'm gonna put the other one. On va le mettre l'autre là et puis on continue. Okay. Now we are done with this. Okay. So I'm gonna do the mixture. Okay. Because this is considered as a pasta or noodles, whatever you wanna call it. Okay. So I'm gonna put it in a bowl. Then we move on. By the way, they have different sizes, so it depends on how thick you want it or how thin you want your veggie to be. Okay, so you can use that for carrots, cucumber, zucchini, and this is zucchini, y'all. This is zucchini, okay, not cucumber. Okay. All right, let's get to the next. Okay, so this is what I'm supposed to have. Okay, but this is burdock. This is onion. I have green onions also. Céleri les poireaux avec oignons. That's walnut. Okay, I have walnut, and plus I have cilantro. Okay, fresh cilantro. Unfortunately, mine is semi fresh. Okay. What else? And the cilantro, the onions, the burdock, I was supposed to sprinkle them after the dressing that I'm gonna make, but I like them all together. Okay. uh so the burdock, it's like a kind of like a, I think it's like a root or something, kind of like a, yeah, I think like it's I'm not sure, but if you're in need of the burdock, let me know. And it tastes so good, trust me. If you're in need of it, let me know, because the person I get it from can hook you up. Okay, so yeah, so this is my thing right here, and then I'm gonna make the dressing, and then you guys will see. It's just amazing. Okay, it does this amazing. Okay, let's go. So excited, super excited to share this with you guys. This is what we're going to use: the tahini, I'm not sure if that's how you say it, the sesame oil, olive oil, and pepper, habanero pepper, I guess. I don't know how to say that, but I know they call it tamari. Ginger. My ginger is not that fresh. Sorry, Lashani. It's not that fresh, but you need a fresh one. Okay? And this one is almost like a hot sauce. Kind of, but it's spicy. I like the taste of it. Anyway, but you have to use the actual pepper though. Oh, I forgot one more thing. Lime. We need lime. Okay. Okay. We need this. All right. So I'm gonna mix all of this together. All right. Hold on. Don't go anywhere. So that's all my ingredients right here. All right. So I forgot to mention something. This little seed right here, it's hemp seed. I add in it, and plus what is it? The syrup. You can add a date sugar or syrup. So I forgot to mention that before. So I'm adding this, and I didn't put a lot of tamarind, whatever they call it. Okay, I didn't put a lot, so I'm gonna whisk all of them together. Okay, I'm gonna whisk it. Let me put the phone down, and then you guys will see the final product. Okay. All right, this is what I came up with. Okay, so I'm gonna mix it with my um ouch. I'm gonna mix it with my mixture here. Okay. Let me get the guys. This is the final result. Okay. All right. Oh, yummy, yummy, yummy. Okay. So this is my zucchini spaghetti noodle, whatever you call it. Okay. This is for dinner. Okay. This is what I eat during this week as dinner. Okay. Yummy, yummy. Trust me, guys. It's so yummy. You would never touch a regular spaghetti once you taste it. I just want to say thank you to Lashana for this wonderful recipe. Girl, I love it. Okay. I know she can do it better than me for sure. But I like it. It's tasty. It's yum. Guys. Oh my god. Honestly, I'm not lying. This is not a lie. This is real. It is good. You should try it, okay? Alright. That's for lunch. That's for dinner. Alright. Bye. So for lunch, I'm supposed to eat avocado with hemp seed wrap and a lettuce romaine. Honestly, uh, I'm just gonna make it as a salad because it's kind of the same thing, right? Just like a salad. Since I use this, that's the rest of my dressing. I'm just gonna chop the lettuce, put it in it with my avocado and hemp seed. We call it a day. So I'm gonna wash them, okay, and that's it. Okay, you guys. Okay, I think I went overboard with that. So yeah, since I like the dressing, I didn't want to get it wasted. Hey, I use it, girl. Go ahead. I don't care. Whatever you say, I like it. So that's my lunch. Um, this kind of fool me, especially. I work like 8 hours, and I do not have any break at work. I just have to use I can eat my lunch whenever I want. So yeah, so it's kind of gonna keep me full. So yeah, just like I said, this is a romaine lettuce, hemp seed, and avocado. Um, I'm supposed to wrap the hemp seed in the avocado uh, with the romaine lettuce, but um, yeah, I had to use my little dressing. Okay, so I made it a salad.